Okay, so let's look at may versus might. So, the auxiliary verb may talks about what is possible. What is possible? I may go to the beach. She may know what to do. I may write. I might write more today. I may write another lesson. Write another lesson after this. Very good. But might talks about what is uncertain, unlikely, unlikely to happen. So, what's possible? It is possible. It can happen. It can happen. Very good. Oh, it can happen. Yeah. And might is unlikely, not low chance, less than 50%. Not likely to happen. It might work. Maybe. Maybe. I thought we might go there. Yeah. I hoped I might have recorded this lesson by now. What time is it? What time is it? I'm not sure what time it is. 10:33. So I might have recorded all the lessons by midday, 12 midday. Yeah, I might do. Maybe. It's possible. Might. I might. 50-50. Yeah. Okay. So, may, auxiliary. What's possible? I may go to the beach. We may go. I may go to Madrid sometime. I may go to Barcelona as well. I may go to Marbella. I may go to Acapulco. But I will, for definite, I will go to Scotland in summer. How cool is that? Yeah. So may and might. What's possible? Possible. Uncertain or unlikely to happen. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.